Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss another problem on sequences and series. Test for the convergence of the series. So let's go with this problem. So un equal to 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 3 divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n minus 2. X to the power of x to the power of x to the power of 2n minus 1 by n minus 1. This is our un. If this type of the problems are there, generally we apply the Dylembert test. So what the Dylembert test says, if sigma un is a positive term series, then limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1 equal to L. Un by un plus 1 equal to L. If L is greater than 1, the series is convergent. If it is less than 1, divergent. L equal to 1, test fails. So here it is a long type question, so you have to apply two tests. So un by un plus 1 equal to 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 3, 2n minus 3, 2n minus 3. Next term will be 2n minus 1 divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n minus 2 into 2n. X to the power of 2n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1. Now what we have to do, un by un plus 1. Now un by un plus 1. What is our un? 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 3 divided by 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n minus 2, x to the power of 2n into x to the power of minus 1, 2n minus 1 into this is 2, 4, 6, so on up to 2n minus 2, 2n, denominator become numerator. Now 1, 3, 5, so on up to 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1. Now this will go to the numerator. So 2n plus 1 divided by x to the power of 2n into x. Now see here. This part up to 2n plus 3, this part getting cancels, being the same in the numerator and the denominator. This is gone. X to the power of 2n, x to the power of 2n is gone. So we are left with very small portion. What is this? So we are left with x to the power of minus 1 by 2n minus 1. And from here we are left with 2n by 2n minus 1. This part we have taken from this 2n by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 into x. So this will be 2n into 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, yes, by 2n minus 1 square into x to the power of minus. This is x to the power of minus 1, please. X is a plus minus 1. This is minus 1. So this will become 1 by x square. Already x is there. Now un by un plus 1. Un by un plus 1, applied the limit. Limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1. Now limit n tends to infinity. What we are doing is 2n square common. 2n square. If you take common, here we are left with 1 plus 1 by 2n. 2n square if you take common. 2n square if you take common, you are left with 1 minus 1 by 2n. Don't forget, 1 by x square is already there. So gone, gone. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. Everything is gone. We are left with 1 by x square. 1 by x square. So 1 by x square greater than 1 means convergent. 1 by x square less than 1 means divergent. X square equal to 1, D'Alembert test fails. So now x square equal to 1. This implies x equal to plus or minus 1. We will be taking x equal to 1 because we are testing only for the positive term series, and that is the limitation. This is the limitation. X square equal to 1 means x equal to plus or minus 1. We are taking x equal to 1 only. Why? We don't have anything. We don't have minus. If we apply the minus, it is not a monotonically decreasing series. So Leibniz test is not applicable, and we have only Leibniz test in our syllabus. So x equal to 1, D'Alembert test fails. X equal to 1, D'Alembert test fails. So for x equal to 1, what you are going to do? For x equal to 1, what you are going to do? Now we will apply Raabe test. Un by un plus 1. What is un by un plus 1? We have, what is un by un plus 1? We have this one, 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2n square. 2n into 2n plus 1. 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2n minus 1 whole square. So taking minus 1 both the sides. So what will happen? Denominator a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. This is 2 into 2, 4n square plus 2n minus 4n square minus 1 plus 4n. So this getting cancelled. So we are left with 6n minus 1 by 4n square minus 4n plus 1. Okay, that's it. Now what we are doing, un by un plus 1 minus 1 into n. So this will be 6n square minus n by 4n square minus 4n plus 1. So what we are doing here is oh, what we are doing here is n square if we are taking common, 6 minus 1 by n. Denominator n square if we are taking and 4 minus 4 by n plus 1 by n square. Okay. So n square getting cancelled. Now limit n tends to infinity, n into un by un plus 1 minus 1 equal to limit n tends to infinity. As n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0. So this is 0, 6 minus 0, 4 minus 0 plus 0. So 6 by 4 is same as 3 by 2. 6 by 4 is same as 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means convergent by Raabe's test. When x equal to 1. Okay, that's it. So what we have done, first there is n term, un we have taken. Un we have taken. Un plus 1. Then we applied the D'Alembert test. D'Alembert test, the answer came as conditional answer. X square greater than 1, convergent less than 1, divergent, x square equal to 1, test fail. X square equal to 1 means x equal to plus or minus 1. Only plus 1 we are taking. X equal to 1. Then applying the Raabe test. With the Raabe test, we got the series is convergent by Raabe test. The series 3 by 2 greater than 1. Therefore, the series is convergent by Raabe test. Hence, x equal to 1. That's it. Test fails. Then two times we have to do. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe my channel and share with your friends.